Let's fix this old little drop leaf table. The little support falling off. So what we got, this hole is stripped out. So this has got to go back here so it can swivel to support the top. So let's shave a little bit off of this piece of maple. We can shove some of those pieces down in there. And we're going to fill that hole in with these wood pieces and the wood glue. And I'll just give it something to grab a hold of once we go putting that screws in there. A longer piece I'm going to put down in there. And we're going to let that dry overnight. See what happens. So this piece dried overnight. I'm going to try these cutters, see what happens. That worked. Do that again with the sander. Now we're going to lay our piece up here, and you can see by the shadows about where it goes. There. Now, sometimes when you take something apart, you can save them old rusty screws that are still good. And they come in real handy, so they aren't nice and shiny when you put them in here. We'll drill a little pilot hole where we marked that. Screw. Back that off just a little bit. All right, there we go. All fixed. Now, pick the leaf up, turn, leaf up, turn, voila. Good as new.